Hello everyone, in this video we will unbox the brand new Nutricook Smart Pot 2 and compare it with the older version to show some of the main differences. You can see that the design had some significant changes. Among the main ones, the easier way to release the pressure out of the cooker with a single push, minimizing the risk of touching hot steam. Also, they removed the button at the top, so you don't need to press it anymore. You just open the lid and it will allow to open only once the pressure is low. I have been using the first version for the past 3 years. Unfortunately, due to an often LID error where the device indicates the lid isn't securely closed even when it is. Here you can see that it shows the error even on the SAUTE mode of working, which does not even require the LID to be closed. As the user manual is not very helpful with this issue and I could not find a way to fix this, I decided it was a time for an upgrade to a newer version. In the box we have the main unit, a stainless steel inner pot, a steam rack, a measuring cup, and of course the user manual. The old version came with some spare parts like a seal to the lid, some gloves, a soup spoon, a rice paddle, but the newer one didn't have any of these additional parts. The new one offers 12 customizable presets, enhancing the cooking experience and turning you into a chef effortlessly. Additionally, the Smart Pot 2 functions as multiple appliances in one sleek design, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, food warmer, SAUTE pot, soup maker, sous vide pot, and yogurt maker. In contrast, the original Smart Pot had fewer presets. As always, the first step will be to run it with only water inside to clean it before the first use. After that, it is ready, so let me show you one of the meals that you can prepare that uses mixture of several programs. Let me know in the comments below if you have experienced the LID error with the original model and would you consider upgrade to this newer one. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more unboxing content. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.